Channel 2 investigation uncovered a cancer-causing chemical in Houston's drinking water. What city council members want done after seeing our report. This is just the most recent development in a story Channel 2 Investigates has been working on for months now. High levels of chromium-6 found in drinking water throughout Houston. And now one city council member is reaching out to the Environmental Protection Agency for answers. Health reporter Haley Hernandez has been covering this story and joins us live. Haley?
Bill and Dominique, as a reminder, chromium-6 is naturally occurring, and it can also come from industrial pollution. Either way, it is known in animal tests to cause cancer. Now, the city of Houston does follow some federal guidelines, and even though the amount of chromium-6 in the area is below those guidelines, Channel 2 Investigates found that where it is highest in all of Houston all comes down to the same exact zip code, the one I'm in right now, 77099. When Gina White saw our report showing one of the water facilities with the highest levels of chromium-6 in Houston is on her street, she asked why.
So I don't like the idea that it is that close.
Councilmember Steve Lee represents part of 77099. He's also a doctor.
I appreciate Channel 2 very much for making the citizens in Houston aware of the situation.
Lee wants to make it clear the drinking water meets current EPA standards, and he says it's safe. But he's reaching out to the EPA to find out why the highest levels of the carcinogen chromium-6 found in the Houston area are in his district.
Stories about people who may have developed cancer in the past, and they want to see if there's a connection. That's the reason why we wanted to reach out to the EPA.
Councilmember Mike Laster also represents part of 77099.
People ought not to be frightened, but should be vigilant, be concerned.
Channel 2 Investigates learned the city does not regularly test for chromium-6. The last time was in 2014. Do you believe that the city of Houston should be regularly testing for chromium-6?
Yeah, I think it would be helpful if we could do that, because that way we can see if we could find the same level of numbers over time. And I think that would be, from a scientific basis, much more helpful to us.
Now both Laster and Lee will ask Public Works to resume testing for the toxin.
We're going to keep an eagle eye on these numbers, and we're going to continue to work closely with the Public Works Department to make sure that our health and safety are of utmost concern and that our water continues to be as safe as possible.
Now, when we asked about filtration systems, Lee said that if you can afford a reverse osmosis system, then do it. Right now, there is no law limiting the amount of chromium-6 that can be in our drinking water, but the EPA says they are working on a draft of guidelines. They say that should be available sometime in 2017. Reporting live in Alief tonight, I'm Haley Hernandez, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Thank you, Haley.